Hello, Dan Olds here. Winter Classic Student Cluster Competition, increasingly misnamed as we push it out into April, but that's what viruses do to us. So we're with Team UTEP, and this is UTEP number 2. Do you guys have a team nickname?
Yes, we voted on a Team Itzamna. It's a Mayan god of wisdom.
Ooh.
So we're going to name our cluster as well. So we figured same team for the computer.
Okay, I like that. Itzamna?
Itzamna, yeah.
Itzamna. Okay. How do you spell that?
Itzamna.
Okay. Very good. Very good. So let's go through now that we've got the nickname down, and we'll see what Team UTEP 1 does with their nickname. Have not heard one yet, but let's go through and meet you guys. Let's start with you, Sergio. What is up with you?
Not much. I'm Sergio Madrid. I am a undergrad in electrical engineering.
What year?
I'll be graduating this semester.
Nice. So you're senior. May. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You're you are ready to roll, senior. You're out in May. Nice.
Yes, sir.
Very nice. So Antonio, how about you?
Yes, sir. So my name is Antonio Tejero. I'm a master's student in electrical engineering. Due to my previous experience with cloud computing and Linux, my role with the team has evolved into that of a network/systems administrator.
The hardware guy. Nice.
So
nice.
I've been providing AWS instances for them while we waited for our recently approved Jupyter cluster access. And now we'll be the main cluster person. So everyone else will be doing an application, and then they'll be giving the results to me, and I'll be working with Sergio to try to figure out which design would be best. Okay.
You know your way around MPI and stuff like that?
That's new, but our teammate Rudy actually posted a YouTube series on MPI. Mm-hmm. There's 3 webinars. So I followed along with that and did the examples. And I've made several Hello World examples on my AWS cluster.
Good deal. Let's talk to Rudy next. Rudy, what is your deal?
Hey, how you doing? My name is Rudy Flores. I'm a fresh senior, just going into the senior pool now. I joined.
What's your
not yet. My major is electrical engineering, and
nice.
So I have about 8 courses left till I graduate, and I plan on specializing in computer engineering.
Okay,
and maybe touch a little bit upon communication networks. Some of my favorite classes have been digital system design, embedded system design, and signals and systems.
Okay. Good. So Sal, what is up with you?
So what's up with me? So my full name is Salvador Valenzuela.
I love how that sounds. Salvador Valenzuela. Yes.
Yeah, Sal for short. I'm in my senior year at UTEP. I'm studying electrical engineering as well.
Okay. So all you guys know each other.
Yeah, somewhat.
You've seen each other around.
Cross paths. Yeah.
Okay.
Definitely. So definitely interested in, I'm specializing in computer engineering as well. I'm taking operating system design right now as one of my specialization classes. Have a lot of interest in software. Want to get into the software engineering aspect of things.
Okay. So let's go back through again and start with you, Sergio. What got you interested in the cluster competition?
I think just learning about clusters and everything. I've seen YouTube videos on it, and it just seemed very interesting. But I've never had any time or kind of anything pushing me to learn about it. So having
you've got the cruel calendar pushing you to learn about it.
Nothing worse than the calendar. Yes.
Yeah, we are less than 30 days out from the cluster competition. Mm-hmm. So learn fast. How about you, Antonio?
Yeah, so my undergraduate research in the field of seizure prediction using machine learning exposed me to the need of powerful computers. Unfortunately, I could never afford, no matter how much I researched and try to make it cheap, I could never afford to build my own computer. So I became good at cloud computing through Amazon Web Services and through Texas Advanced Computing Center on their Maverick 2 supercomputer. And I'm also interested in in bioinformatics type problems. So this competition fits that description.
Fantastic. Rudy, how about you?
Sure. Well, I joined just to have the opportunity to get a little bit closer to the computer.
This is as close as you're going to get without having it in your bedroom.
Exactly. No, I just wanted to, I never heard of cluster computer or anything. I'm barely getting into the specialization of computer engineering. Like I've got all the classes that I like, but I don't like as much as computer engineering out the way. And now we're just getting into computer engineering. And I figured that this would be a good opportunity to, you know, get closer to the computer so I could be able to manipulate it and make it work the way I want it to work, make it faster, whatever.
Oh, yeah.
So
but it's a supercomputer. Yeah, I mean, these things are for all intents and purposes small supercomputers. So, Salvatore, what about you?
Yeah. So when I heard about the competition, anything having to do with computers as well, and an opportunity to challenge myself. I also am not, I don't have a wealth of knowledge on this topic, and it's something new to me. And I like to stretch myself, challenge myself. So more than anything, I saw it as a challenge and a learning opportunity as well to grow my skill set. High computing, high technology, definitely very interesting to me.
So with all of you being seniors, are you all going to be looking for jobs pretty soon?
Yes.
Well, there you go. This will help. Being able to have this experience on your resume and going up on our resume board will definitely help you out along those. What kind of stuff are you looking to do? Any ideas?
I want more on the embedded systems programming side. My favorite class was microcontrollers with Dr. Romero, who's our mentor.
I'll be talking to him later on today.
Yes. Well, that was my favorite. That's been my favorite class out of all of my EE classes. So learning more about embedded systems, stuff like that, it's just really interesting to me.
Okay. How about you, Antonio? What would you like to do for a career?
For a career, honestly, so I know that I want to apply electrical engineering to solve medical problems.
Okay.
It's kind of hard to get. I don't have the clear sense of direction of what exactly I want to research, what exactly I want to do yet. So that's why I actually chose to go master's first instead of just going. My university offers the chance to go straight into the PhD and pick up the master's along the way, but I would have had to pick up a research topic right away. So I'm still kind of deciding, looking for direction on exactly what.
Well, the interesting thing is that a lot of our, trying to think of who doesn't, but a lot of our mentors and sponsors are doing like bioinformatics type stuff.
Good. Okay.
I mean, your Microsoft is looking to do it on their Azure cloud. You've got Dell that puts out systems to do it. Same with HPE, Intel, etc. They're all involved in this kind of stuff. Okay. So maybe we can snag you an internship that gets you a bit closer to it and helps you figure out what your research ought to be.
That would be great. Yeah.
Yeah. So Rudy, what are you looking forward to? What's your crystal ball say?
Well, since I was a kid, I've always liked like military technology, and I'm looking to maybe get into something like that, or something with planes or space exploration, which has to do with computers.
It certainly does. A lot of HPC in that.
Yeah, I really wouldn't mind also working for a company like TI or Dell or Microsoft or Intel, something with.
Sure. Google's in there too.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, awesome. Google's one of our sponsors, as is Lawrence Livermore National Lab. So there's some pretty heavy-duty players on our side here. So Sal, what do you see happening for you?
So I've like I stated a little bit earlier, I've fallen in love with the software side of things. So if I could
software,
be involved,
who cares? Software's not important. Not these days. It's all hardware, man.
So if I could fall in line to some kind of like a software engineering type of situation, that would be amazing. I'm loving I'm also dabbling in some cybersecurity with my senior design project for this year. Mm-hmm. So I'm learning a lot about that, and that's piquing my interest as well. So anything having to do with software engineering, cybersecurity, maybe even AI, those are things that are very interesting to me.
That is all very good stuff. You guys are an impressive bunch. I really like the ambition. Good job. You have any questions about the competition?
Are we supposed to submit our design by the end of March or by the competition?
I'm going to make that kind of end of March, first week of April to submit your final cluster design. Okay. And it can't be more than, or much more than 80 teraflops, our peak.
Okay.
So you're not going to hit it right on the nose. So we're going to adjust scores to normalize it to 80 teraflops, okay, which is a fair number of teraflops. You can do well with that.
Okay. We were allotted 4 nodes. That's the same that everyone's going to get?
Everyone is going to have a different design, but they're all being held to that 80 teraflop hurdle.
Okay.
So yeah, you've got 4 nodes and some GPUs on that cluster. Any other quick questions? Anything else I can help you with before we sign off?
Is the competition, so it's being held virtually, is it going to be all at the same time?
All at the same time, virtually. You're going to have a week to do all those benchmarks and turn in your best run. And awesome. What I would suggest strongly is that you make sure first day or two that you turn in a result for every one of the workloads. Don't get bogged down in trying to optimize one or the other, because you don't want to end up with a 0 on anything. So make sure you turn in, even if it's not your best run, turn in something for each one of them, then go back and optimize. You've got a full 5 days to do it. And plus you've got this 29-day run up now to get going. Has anybody gone out and looked at the apps yet?
So I looked at Lamps and ArmForge and BMB, and I got them working pretty good. Just
good. ArmForge is your friend.
Right. The only thing I was left on ArmForge is the compiling with the -G option, but that's when Sal joined our team, and he's going to be taking over that now, and I'm going back to my original role.
Good. Throw it off on Sal. Make Sal do it.
Yeah, I'll take it.
Software guy. You're all about the software. Dig into this, Sal.
Absolutely. I'm going to take a big bite out of Lamps.
There you go. Well, thank you for taking the time, and on a weekend nonetheless, but really appreciate your time. Appreciate you guys competing, looking for big things from you. Make us proud. Okay. And make Microsoft and Intel proud, your sponsors. And we will talk to you soon.
Before we go, I have a quick
Sure.
question. So I've actually run some of the simulations, like the lysosomes and water simulation. I've seen one of the resources that you guys put out there. Mm-hmm. We're going to be given a random simulation. Is it going to be something similar to those simulations that we have there? By the way, I'm using GrowMax.
It won't be too far off, but it will vary. It won't be exactly like the sample data set.
Okay.
But you got it running. Good job. I'm proud of you. Already I'm proud of you. Good job. Excellent. Well, thanks again. And we will talk to you soon. We'll do at least one more of these interviews, maybe 2. So use all of your strength and all of your powers to cluster true, cluster strong. And we will talk to you soon. Thanks.
All right. Thanks
for
all
that. I appreciate it.